Which operating systems does Avast SecureLine VPN support? You can install and run Avast SecureLine VPN on any Android device running Google Android, Lollipop 5.0, API 21, or higher. We also offer versions of Avast SecureLine VPN for Windows and Mac. For more information, read the following article, Avast SecureLine VPN for Windows and Mac, frequently asked questions, later. Note, Avast SecureLine VPN is not supported and cannot be installed or run on Symbian, Microsoft Windows Phone/Mobile, Bada, WebOS, or any mobile operating system other than Android or iOS, at the time of commenting.